Let me teach you how to make new modules in Cornerstone. If you observe my toolbar down here, I have a lot of modules, maybe more than you have on your personal profile page or your corporate website. And you might wonder, how can I add more modules? Either module types that you currently do not have, like maybe you do not have, for instance, calendar or articles or maps or videos, or maybe you would like more modules of the same type you already have. For instance, you might want 2 article modules, and then you say, why would anyone want 2 article modules in the same group? Wouldn't one module for articles suffice? Well, modules is the entity around which we set our access rights. So if you want one article module for everyone to watch and one for instance, members or your board to watch, then you need to make a couple more modules of that type. So one for general articles and maybe one for board articles, one for board documents, etc. So let me show how you add new modules and how you would normally configure them to get going. So let me add a couple modules. So first I set the system in design mode. And in the toolbar, I go to the modules tab. I click the plus sign. From the list here, I choose the type. So I choose article, and I make cool articles. So the name will be the name of the module down here. And when working with the module pages, which are the menu items from the toolbar here, we need an alias for the URL. So that's what the alias is for. So you can really define yourself what it will be. So here it is, cool articles. It's completely empty, but it's there. So let me also add another one for images. Cool images. Okay, so now we have cool articles and we have cool images. And I can go back to live mode. So once we have added the modules, there are 2 things you should do for this to work well for you. First, go into the settings of both your new articles and check out if everything is okay. Here we have the name, the alias, and you can choose which module to couple with for images, because when you when you write a new article and you add images to it, images will not be stored in the article module, it will be stored in an image module, but with clearly defined links from the article module to the image module. So the article module needs to know which image module should it use for image storage. So we make the coupling here to the cool images. And there's only one document module to choose from. So I submit that. By the way, this cannot be changed. So choose wisely. Okay, so I can go here to the settings of the image module, and there were nothing there. So first create the modules, then go into settings, and then the third step is to go here to the group tab, go to access, and for each and every role you have in your group, the group that owns the new modules, you should edit the roles and make sure that there is access, the access level you want for the new modules, because when you add the modules, no one except from the owner have any access whatsoever, as you can see here. So you need to check them off and also set the appropriate module roles or custom access rights so that those you want to reach this content can actually reach it and work with it. So create it through the design mode in the toolbox. Make sure to check out the settings, and then make sure to make it accessible for those you want to give access to. That's it.